बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर अंजलि दैया. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक, कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. इंट्रोडक्शन. We have already learnt about various geometrical shapes and their properties. Here in this chapter we will learn congruence of two geometrical figures, as each geometrical figure has been defined, shaped and size. Any two figures are said to be congruent if they have exactly the same shape and same size. To determine whether the geometrical figures are congruent or not, we place a trace copy or a cutout of one figure over the other. If both of them superimpose each other, the figure are said to be congruent. This method of comparing two figures is called method of superimposition. Thus, two plane figures are congruent if one figure is superimposed on other. They coincide with each other. The symbol of congruence is this. इस तरह से. Read as congruent to. Now, congruence of geometrical shapes. First, two line segments are said to be congruent if they have the same length. AB 3 cm, CD 3 cm. So, line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD. Now, second, two angles are said to be congruent if they have the same measure. Angle AOB is equals to angle PQR is equals to 60 degree. So, angle AOB is congruent to angle PQR. Now, third, two squares are said to be congruent if they have the side of same length. AB is equals to PQ. So, square ABCD is congruent to square PQRS. Now, fourth, two rectangles are said to be congruent if they have the same length and breadth. AB is equals to PQ and BC is equals to QR. So, rectangle ABCD is congruent to rectangle PQRS. Now, fifth, two circles are said to be congruent if they have the same radius. Radius of circle 1 is equals to radius of circle 2. So, circle C1 congruent to circle C2. Now, next is congruence of triangles. Two triangles are congruent when they are the exact duplicate of each other. Exact duplicate means their 6 basic elements, that is 3 sides and 3 angles should be equal. When these 6 elements of one triangle are equal to the corresponding 6 elements of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR and AC is equals to PR, and angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C is equals to angle R, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. In other words, two triangles are congruent if they are the exact copy of each other and when superimposed, they cover each other exactly. In congruence, it is important that the corresponding vertices should match. If we place one vertex A on vertex R, the triangles will not be superimposed. Hence, the order of letters is very important. Thus, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This means if we place triangle PQR on triangle ABC, P is A, Q on B and R on C. Also, PQ, AB, QR, BC and PR, AC. The congruent part of two congruent triangles ABC and PQR are corresponding vertices A and P, B and Q, C and R. Corresponding sides AB and PQ, BC and QR, AC and PR. Corresponding angles, angle A and angle P, angle B is and angle Q, angle C and angle R. Now, conditions for congruency of triangles. For any two triangles to be congruent, the 6 elements of one triangle need not be proved equal to the corresponding 6 elements of the other triangle. In fact, the following conditions are sufficient to ensure the congruency of two triangles. First is side congruence condition. Two triangles are congruent if the 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. So, बच्चों, एक्टिविटी आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, second, side angle side congruence conditions. Two triangles are congruent if the two sides and the included angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. तो सेम कॉन्ग्रुएंट कंडीशन को फुलफिल करने के लिए एक्टिविटी आप खुद परफॉर्म करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज एंगल साइड एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंस कंडीशन. Two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side of one triangle are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. तो सेम एक्टिविटी आप खुद परफॉर्म करेंगे. Now fourth is RHS congruence condition. Two right angle triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. तो सेम एक्टिविटी आप खुद परफॉर्म करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एग्जांपल्स. State the correspondence between the sides and the angles of the following pair of congruent triangles without drawing the triangles. Solution करते हैं. A part, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. When triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, we have A is equals to D, B over E and C over F. And AB is equals to DE, BC is equals to EF and AC is equals to DF. And angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. Now B part. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF. When triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF, we have A over E, B over D and C over F. And AB is equals to ED, BC is equals to DF and AC is equals to EF. And angle A is equals to angle E, angle B is equals to angle D and angle C is equals to angle F. Now next example. In the adjoining figure, PQR and QPS are two triangles with QR is equals to PS and PR is equals to QS. Name the two congruent triangles. Solution करते हैं इसका. In triangle PQR and triangle QPS, PQ is equals to PQ, कॉमन साइड है. QR is equals to PS, इक्वल दे रखा है. PR is equals to QS, ये भी दे रखा है. We have correspondence P over Q, Q over P and R over S. So triangle PQR congruent to triangle QPS by side 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 congruence condition. Now next example. In the rectangle ABCD, prove that angle ADB is equals to angle CBD. Solution करते हैं. In triangle ABD and triangle CDB, AB is equals to CD, opposite side of rectangle. AD is equals to CB, again opposite sides of rectangle. Now BD is equals to DB, that is common side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB by side 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 congruence condition. Hence angle ADB is equals to angle CBD by CPCT. Now keep in mind, when two triangles are congruent, then their remaining parts are also equal and we use the term CPCT for them, that is congruent parts of congruent triangles. Now next example. In the figure BC perpendicular to CE, AC perpendicular to CD, AC is equals to EC and BC is equals to DC, prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC. Solution करते हैं. Here AC perpendicular to CD and BC perpendicular to CE. So angle ACD and angle ECB is equals to 90 degree and angle BCD is common in angle ACD and angle ECB. So angle ACD minus angle BCD is equals to angle ECB minus angle BCD, or you can say angle ACB is equals to angle ECD. Now in triangle ABC and EDC, AC is equals to EC given है, BC is equals to DC given है, and angle ACB is equals to ECD, ये अभी हमने प्रूव किया है. Hence, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC by side angle side congruent condition. Now next example, ABCDE is a regular pentagon. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AED. Solution करते हैं. Since in a regular pentagon all the angles are of equal measure, so angle ABC is equals to angle AED. In triangle ABC and triangle AED, AB is equals to AE, equal sides. Angle ABC is equals to angle AED, proved है. BC is equals to ED, equal side. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AED by side angle side congruence condition. Now next example. In the given figure, can you use ASA congruence condition and conclude that triangle POQ is congruent to triangle NOM? Solution करते हैं इसका. In triangle POQ and triangle NOM, angle Q is equals to angle M given है. Angle POQ is equals to NOM, ये भी given है. In triangle POQ, angle P plus angle POQ plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree, angle sum property. Angle P plus 30 plus 70 is equals to 180. So angle P is equals to 180 minus 100 is equals to angle P is equals to 80 degree. Similarly, in triangle NOM, angle N plus MON plus M is equals to 180 degree, angle sum property. Angle N plus 30 plus 70 is equals to 180. So angle N is equals to 180 minus 100 is equals to 80 degree. In triangle POQ and triangle NOM, angle P is equals to N, angle Q is equals to angle M, PQ is equals to NM. Hence, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle NOM by angle side angle congruence condition. Now next example. Ray AX bisect angle DAB as well as DCB. A. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle BAC and triangle DAC. Solution करते हैं इसका. In triangle BAC and DAC, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 as ray AX bisect angle DAB. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4, that ray AX bisect angle DCB, and AC is equals to AC, common side है. Yes, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC by angle side angle congruent condition. तो B part भी prove हो गया. Now C part है, is AB is equals to AD? Justify your answer. Yes, AB is equals to AD by CPCT. D is CD is equals to CB? Yes, CD is equals to CB by CPCT. Now next example. In the given figure, if AC is equals to BD, prove that AD is equals to BC. Solution करते हैं. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, angle A is equals to angle B 90 degree. Angle BD is equals to AC given. AB is equals to BA common. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by RHS congruence condition. Hence AD is equals to BC by CPCT. Now next example. In the given figure, BD and CE are altitudes of triangle ABC such that BD is equals to CE. तो हमें प्रूव करना है is triangle CBD is congruent to triangle BCE, is angle DCB is equals to angle EBC. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. तो A का आंसर है yes. कैसे? In triangle CBD and triangle BCE, angle CDB is equals to angle BEC, that is 90 degree. BD is equals to CE given है, और CB is equals to BC, common side. So it's proved by RHS congruence condition. Now B part is also yes, that is angle DCB is equals to angle EBC बाय CPCT। तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया। इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे।